method for product families. Now we move to layout types based on material flow systems. So the type of material flow system is determined by the makeup of the activities or planning departments among which materials flow. As noted previously, there are 4 types of production planning departments: production line departments, fixed material location departments, product family departments, and process departments. So on the next few slides, I'm going to show you the advantages and disadvantages or limitations for each one of the layouts. So here we have the production line product layout, in which you have basically manufacturing lines that are composed of different stations, and then you move each product based, you produce one type of product in each manufacturing line. So the advantages: smooth, simple, logical, and direct flow lines results. Small working process inventories should result. Total production time per unit is short. Material handling requirements are reduced. The total production time per unit is short because you are limiting the setups, right? So this production line will never change, or each one of those are not changing. So there's no setup in terms of reconfiguring the line. Less skill is required for personnel because, again, the location of the machines and the type of machines are always fixed. Simple production control is possible. Special purpose equipment can be used. The limitations, like if something happened to the machine, one of those machines, that the production will stop the line. That machine will stop the production. Product design changes cause the layout to become obsolete. So if you have a new product coming in, then you need to change the production line. Slowest station pace the line. General supervision is required, and higher equipment investment usually results. Then we have the fixed product layout. This is like what I mentioned, the airplane, that everything comes together in the same location. So you're bringing the production to that location where you're assembling the product. Advantages: material movement is reduced. When a team approach is used, continuity of operations and responsibility results. Provides job enrichment opportunities because employers need to get familiar with all operations. Promotes pride and quality because an individual can complete the whole job. Highly flexible, can accommodate changes in product design, product mix, and product volume. A limitation: personal equipment movement is increased, may result in duplicate equipment, requires greater skill for personnel, requires general supervision, may result in increased space and greater working process, and requires close control and coordination in scheduling production. The product family layout, and this is the type of layout that you can build using the direct clustering algorithm. So here again, you have products family. So let's say this cell is used for one product. This is another cell that can be used to manufacture another part, and so on. So what are the advantages? By grouping products, higher machine utilization can result because you are producing different type of products continuously. Smoother flow lines and shorter travel distances are expected than for example, process layouts. Team atmosphere and job enlargement benefits often result. Has some of the benefits of product layouts and process layout. It is a compromise between the two. Encourage consideration of general purpose equipment. Some of the limitations include the general supervision is required. Greater labor skills required for team members to be skilled on all operations. So if you are part of this cell or this cell, you are required to know how to operate all these machines and also to perform the assembly. If flow is not balanced in each cell, buffers and working process storage are required in the cell to eliminate the need for added material handling to and from the cell. Has some of the disadvantages of product layout and process layout. It is a compromise between the two and decreased the opportunity to use a special purpose equipment. And then we have the process layout. In this one, things can move where they're needed. Like you see here, you can go from here to here, and this guy can go here, and then this guy can go here. So there's no a structure, basically. The advantages is like, since you can allocate jobs to any of the machines, there's an increase in machine utilization. General purpose equipment can be used, highly flexible on allocating personnel and equipment, diversity of tasks for personnel, specialized supervision is possible. The limitation is that there's an increase in material handling requirements. As you can see, there's like spaghetti there, so there's a lot of movement going on. More complicated production control required, increased working process, longer production lines, higher skills required to accommodate diversity of tasks required. Okay, so that concludes this lecture 2, part 1. And these are the items that we discussed. Introduction, the flow system, the material flow system, departmental planning, and the layout typeface of material flow system.